How to add contact on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to add contacts on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zangi app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the pencil icon. Tap on it. You want to add the contact, right? Select the last option. Now write down the name of the contact that you want to add. And click on Zangi number and paste the Zangi number of the contact that you want to add. After you write down the number, click on done. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add contacts on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.